So I know y'all have seen this before where someone is making their video and they're talking about people like trolling them in their game or in the comments, something like,
"Oh my god, bro, you suck so bad. Oh my gosh, you need to just stop playing."
I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'm going to use the actual clip that was at the beginning of this video to show you how to do this. So have the clip selected over the playhead. In order to make it black and white, come over to the color tab, click on RGB mixer, and then click monochrome. Boom, black and white. It is that easy. Next thing I always do is come over in the inspector, and right here I'm going to go ahead and zoom it in on the face a little bit so you can really see the goofy effect that I'm going to end up having. Next, we're over in the toolbox, come down to open effects, and you can see it's all the way at the bottom. I go ahead and select vortex. You can also use dent and then adjust it certain ways, but I'm going to use vortex. That's my preferred go-to one. Go ahead and put it wherever you want it to be. In order to move it around like that, select open effects overlay, and then it'll allow you to drag it around like this, or you can come up to effect and use the position thing right here, sliding it around in the inspector. You can go ahead and change the size. You can go ahead and change the swirl or the angle. Whatever you want. Let's go ahead and tilt it back like this. Now we have it, and let's see how this goofy face goes ahead and looks right now. Oh my god, bro, you suck so bad. Oh my gosh, you need to just stop playing. Perfectly hilarious right there, but I like to change the audio as well to make it even goofier. Click on audio effects, scroll down till you get to pitch, drag and drop that on the audio clip, the green just below the video, and this will pop right up. Now if you go negative, that'll make it deeper, and if you go up here in the positive numbers, that makes it higher.
"Oh my god, bro, you suck so bad. Oh my gosh, you need to just stop playing."
And that is a perfect how to like mocking the trolls in the comments or the absolute trolls in your Call of Duty warfare game or something like that. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe up if the video helped you out at all, and peace out.